Hey guys, okay, so this is my Kobe range hood. This is a built-in, so you actually go ahead and you buy the hood and then you make your outside to actually fit whatever the hood is. So this is a 36-inch and a couple of features on it that I think are really awesome is number one, I like the lights. So it does have a light feature and you can see how bright it is when it's actually on the stovetop. In order to go ahead and actually use it, you can do a dimmer. So there's actually 3 settings: high, medium, low, and then off. So this is when it's off. I'm going to turn it on and you can see how bright that is. So one of my favorite features on it. The other thing on this particular model is that it does have an eco button. The eco button basically is if you have a house that has quite a bit of moisture and you're wanting to go ahead and remove that moisture from your home, you can push this eco button and basically what it'll do is it'll run for about 10 minutes every hour in your home. So you're not at home, you're going to be on vacation, you don't have your AC running as much, you can actually go ahead and have the eco button pushed, and what it'll do is it'll automatically, again, run for about 10 minutes every hour. It does have your on and off button for your exhaust, and so I'm going to push that. This is a normal of setting of 3, which is what we use it on. It is quiet when you have it on a setting of 1. It's very quiet and you can hear whatever it is that you're doing or talking as far as conversations. But when it's on setting 3 and above, because it does go to setting 5, it is very loud. So I just want to go ahead and turn it up so that you guys can hear it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So very loud. Go ahead and turn that off there, but it's very loud. The other thing I also want to go ahead and mention is that these are removable so that you can actually wash them. And basically all of these parts are removable so that you can go ahead and actually wash all of those parts. So it is completely stainless. These are very, very sharp. So if you're trying to stick your finger in there in order to scrub all that, yeah, be careful you don't cut your fingers. So they slide in very easily. You basically just go ahead and put it up on this side first, and then you can go ahead and maneuver it onto the back side. So there you go. Anyway, Kobe range hood. Again, my favorite feature are going to be the lights. These are LED. We did have one issue since we've had it. We've had it about 2 years. We've had one issue with the lights going out, but we contacted the Kobe company and they replaced them with no problems.